It's home style, the heat. Home style, the heat. Home style. It's home style.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Homestyle with Heaney. And I just want to go ahead and get right to the recipe because it's really short and simple. So I've been making soup this week because I have a sick household. My husband has got a cold and the baby's got a cold. And so I made my famous chicken soup, which I will attach to this video, and you can go ahead and click on that and check that out next. But I thought it would be cool to make something that I like to keep stocked in my freezer using leftover vegetables. So let me show you what we have left over. So you ever have leftover celery and carrots and herbs, just kind of like a few pieces left and you never use all of them? I know that's the case for me. And it's frustrating because I hate wasting food. So I thought of this really cool hack, I guess you could say, where you can use your leftover vegetables that you didn't use in your soup and freeze it. And so what I like to call it is my pre-made seasoning pack. So let's go ahead and get started. I have the seasoning pack all ready to assemble, and what I did first was I went ahead and I labeled the Ziploc bag, which is important because you want to know what you have in it. And so I put the date, and I just listed some of the ingredients that I'm going to put in the bag. So onions, carrots, celery, herbs, and garlic. I'm also going to add seasoning to it, and it's going to be so convenient because like when you make your meals, so say like I like to use it for stews, chili, spaghetti. I love to have these bags ready because all you do is just throw it in a pot with some olive oil, so you saute it, and it kind of gives you like a jump ahead in your meal. You skip a lot of steps of cutting. I don't always like cutting vegetables, especially if it's a day that I'm maybe running behind on making dinner, or maybe the baby's a little clingy and I can't really be in the kitchen that long. So these bags have been a lifesaver. It cuts my cooking time down by at least 20 minutes. So I went ahead and I pre-cut onions. These are my herbs. So I have marjoram, thyme, and oregano. I chopped up some celery and carrots. And so what you're going to do is you're going to just go ahead and you're going to scoop it or pour it all into the bag. And it smells so good. And I think I mentioned some of the things I like to use them for, but I know the holidays are coming up and I love making dressing, and this is a perfect thing to have on hand when you're making dressing because you don't have to worry about cutting everything. It's already ready. Now if you don't want to have carrots in your dressing, you can mix out the carrots, but I've used this for my spaghetti sauce, I've used this for chili, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So we're going to go ahead and add minced garlic next, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon. And I'm going to add just some Italian seasoning, because I'm probably going to use this for spaghetti. So probably about a teaspoon of seasoning. And you just want to try to get out as much of the air as you can. You want to try to get out as much of the air as you can. And there you go. You got your pre-made seasoning pack bags, and these are awesome. So that concludes my video for today. Please like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and go ahead and click that bell icon to get notifications of my next postings. And if you do try the recipe or try the seasoning pack, I'd love to know what you used it for. So feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know, was it pretty convenient for you? Was it easy to do? I know it's pretty easy for meat because I always have leftover vegetables when I make soups, and I always tell myself I'm gonna come back to this, and I always forget that I have 3 pieces of carrots or 3 stalks of celery, or herbs, because fresh herbs don't last very long. And so this pack, like, it is really, really helpful, and it's a good way to help you cut back on your cooking time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.